Hey guys, it's Emma here. Today I'm going to be reacting to Nature for the first time, so please do tell me all about them in the comments below. This is their song You'll Be Mine, as you probably could tell from the title of this video. Anyway, that's why I clicked on it. I'm smart. Anyway, let's just get into it. You guys have recommended this, so yeah. Wow. Whoa.
Come on, boy. This is my song, my love.
Okay. It's winter, but I'm feeling hot.
Here we go.
Oh, she looks like the one from Labum. Oh, they're so cute. What? Ah. Boy. Her voice is so powerful. Wow. Oh, they're so pretty. You'll be mine. Wait, what just happened? You girl did not expect any of these. Girls! Girls! Come through. Oh, I love them. They look so cute, and then the chorus just comes through and smacks you in the face. I really like her, the one with the orange hair. Her, that's my bias. Who is she? It's like so cute, like yeah. Wow. They're so sharp with the dance. And it's like, yes! So I got a bit carried away. I want to dance with them. I want to dance so bad. I can't dance sitting down. Woo! La, 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 la. Oh, I love it. I'm sending this to my friend. Wow, her voice is so womanly. Come through. Ooh. La 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 la. Hey! Oh, it gives me IOI feels. Now I'm sad. Eh? Ding dong, it's me! Hello! Oh. It's these boys. You don't need them anymore. Can it be me? Can I... Can they redo that entire thing and just have it be me at the end, like, hi, I want to join. Like looking in the little viewfinder in the door, hi, it's me. Just like a big version of my face. Hey. Oh, I'm weird. I want to join in. That's so good. Oh, I love them. The one with the orange hair. Bias already. I don't know why I felt like, is she the leader or do they just like throw her in the centre all the time, because that's what I felt like. Either way, she caught my attention. I love her. They're all so gorgeous. They give me like Momoland vibes in the sense of just kind of dewy. How she does a whole like dance and all the weird dances that she's known for. I feel like they just like they took that to a new level. Did not expect it, threw it in my face. Love it, I love that. Thank you to whoever recommended them to me. That was amazing. Wow, I'm so happy after that. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.